Porsche has cooked up a new special edition model of its lower tier Taycan sedan. It's called the Taycan Black Edition, and it packs on some nice styling upgrades. Even better, however, is that the Black Edition models add on more range and power compared to the standard Taycan, Taycan 4, and Taycan 4S. But is the price jump worth the extra style, power, and range? Let's take a look and see what these Black Editions have going on. In terms of style upgrades, Porsche fits the Taycan Black Edition with its sport design package. Those upgraded body bits plus the side window trim and rear model designation get a high gloss black finish. The rear light strip gets an illuminated black Porsche logo, there are black interior accents, and the door sills are black brushed illuminated aluminum. More standard upgrades include lane change assist, surround view, 21-inch wheels, HD matrix design LED lights, puddle lamps, the Bose audio system, electric sports sound, and the 14-way comfort seats. The cars are called Black Edition and the overall look and theme is darker, but you don't need to get it in black. There are various versions of black, gray, and white, which are no-cost paint options. There's the Dreams lineup of colors for $1,480, the Legends for $2,950, and then you can dip into the different versions of paint to sample if you feel like blowing out the budget. There are good interior options too, with Pepita trim being no cost, basic leather options also at no cost, and then the club leather for a few grand. The meatiest upgrade, however, is what you can't see. These Black Edition models get the larger 105 kilowatt-hour performance battery plus battery pack. That's the battery pack's gross capacity, by the way. It's usable at 97. Adding that pack, however, improves both power and range. Both the Taycan and Taycan 4 jump to an available 429 horsepower via launch control and overboost. That's up compared to the 402 horsepower you'd normally get. The Taycan 4S, meanwhile, climbs to 590 horsepower versus 536 from the standard Taycan 4S. That battery pack upgrade is available as an option on all three of those models, but it's nice that it's included here as part of the standard kit that makes up the Black Edition. As for the price jump, it's an extra $16,700 on the Taycan, $16,600 on the Taycan 4, and $14,800 on the Taycan 4S to make the jump to the starting price of the Black Edition compared to their standard models. So for context, the starting prices of these Black Edition models are $122,950 for the Taycan, $126,950 for the Taycan 4, and $140,850 for the Taycan 4S. The starting price for the standard version minus those upgrades and the larger battery pack is $106,250, $110,350, and $126,050 respectively. I'm curious if you really need a Black Edition to have a better Taycan experience. The options that arrive as standard are certainly not cheap, so the price jumps are legit. That battery upgrade is nearly $6,000, and the premium package is a tick over $8,000. That's before any of the visual upgrades. If you wanted a base Taycan with the better battery and can live with a relatively plain-looking Taycan, you're at $112,230. So it's really on you to decide if the jump to the Black Edition is worth it. I will say it's definitely a nice way of packaging what are pretty good upgrades, and it's potentially a solid way to get customers looking at lower tier Taycans and moving more of those off the lots. The value of the standard extras on the Black Editions does pencil out relative to Porsche's own math if you try to build one up on your own via the Porsche configurator. In fact, it's likely a better deal to go with the Black Edition if you tried to mimic the upgrades yourself with a standard version of the car.